friends, welcome to my channel, Joyful Journey Fit. My name is Ellie. Today is day 3 of the Joyful Reset Free Fitness Challenge. Taking time for ourselves, that beneficial self-care involves being healthy, being happy, being joyous with each new day that comes our way. Let's begin this session. It's a walk and talk. So we begin walking in place, exercising together, feeling that community bond as we share, as we care, as we bring kindness and spread that love to ourselves as well as to others. It's so important to take time for yourself. We often give of our time, of our talents. We listen, we communicate with family, with friends, and sometimes in that mix of the day, we may neglect ourselves. Taking time for ourselves is so important. It's beneficial for our health, our stress level, and it may help us sleep better. Taking time for yourself. So today we're going to walk, we're going to talk, and today I thought we would talk about emotions. Now, so often in my videos I talk about happiness, about joy. This challenge is called that Joyful Reset. And it doesn't mean tossing away all those negative emotions. They still come in, they still filter through the mind. We have those thoughts that sometimes surround us, and we feel like we can't let go. But knowing that you have your breath, if you have a faith, stand by that faith. It is a constant. It's never changing. It's always present. And when we feel those emotions coming in, those thoughts of uncertainty, of sadness, of pain, know that there's always that faith, that hope, that light that is within us. We breathe. That's a constant flow of energy that fills our body. As we breathe, our diaphragm is working constantly. It's filtering through the blood, the lymphatic fluid. It's making us whole. It's making us complete. And we might have those aches and pains, but through it all, we come to modify, we come to think of those positive events that happen throughout the day. We might go for a walk and see a bird up in a tree, or see the brightly colored sunrise or sunset. Look for those signs of positivity that nature provides. When you get up in the morning, stretch and breathe and feel that light, that hope, that light. that comes naturally within us. Strive to walk, strive to exercise. Often exercise helps with our mood. We get those endorphins flowing, we sleep better, our body naturally awakens. The heart feels movement, it feels activity, it feels stronger because we're taking care of ourselves. We're taking those few minutes, those 5 to 10 minutes, and maybe more, depending on your time during the day, your schedules. We're taking that time for ourselves. We're allowing that break of those thoughts. They're still present, but we're allowing the body to feel that cleansing, renewal of your own energy. That light and hope and that growing faith that we all share. That constant breath. I hope you today decide to continue and exercise, take part in this day 3 throughout the days ahead, or just remember the thoughts, remember those positive signs to look for during your day. Continue walking. Thank you for joining me today. Have a blessed one. Bye for now.